Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So there are plenty of things that you can do, and we will begin with the settings. So let's tap on the settings icon, and let's start with tapping on connected devices. Here we've got something which is called Private DNS, so let's tap and mark Private DNS provider hostname. Tap on this section here to enter the hostname, and all you have to enter here is dns.adguard.com and tap on OK, save. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, and basically using Private DNS will limit the advertisements that you will receive. Another thing that we can do in the settings is to find Google services. So here in this left section, scroll all the way down and find Google. Let's go to all services here and scroll to find ads in this privacy and security section. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and removing it will not necessarily change the number of advertisements that you can see, but it will limit the personalization. So for example, you were looking for a specific item, for example a lamp, and after that your device is showing you advertisements with the same lamp, the different offers of the same lamp, or different variations, different shops, or something connected with this lamp. So this is what advertising ID does. It simply gathers the information of your searching, and after that it is trying to show you some personalized advertisements. So just tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID, and tap on Delete. And thanks to it, you will not see that many personalized advertisements. Another thing that you can do is to simply limit the notifications, because there are some apps that will show you the advertisements in the control center, which is right here, you know, the status bar. Sometimes it will show you as notifications, so you can simply turn off the notifications from the specific app. Let's pretend I'm receiving a lot of advertisements in the notifications from Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Right here we've got notifications, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the notifications section. Basically, they are divided into different categories. And what I recommend to do here is to simply try to find the categories that are somehow connected with the advertisement. So for example, payments, deals, and recommendations sounds like the advertisement. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to it and turn off the notifications. Of course, what I highly recommend to do is to simply turn off all of the notifications if you don't really need the notifications from this app because it is a game or whatever. Highly recommend to do that. Simply tap on the switcher at the top. And as a last resort option, I also highly recommend to check for the ad blocks. And I know that it might be obvious for you, but I just wanted to mention that for those users that are not really familiar with that kind of applications. So you have to open the Play Store. Of course, you need to be logged in to be able to actually download anything, but you can go to search. And here in this section, simply enter ad block or something similar. And obviously, there are the ad blocks that are focused on the browsers. So for example, this one, free ad blocker browser. But I also wanted to draw attention to those which are not meant for the browser. So for example, this one, ad blocker for Android, or content blocker, etc. So I really highly recommend to check all of available options, because maybe you will find something interesting and that will suit your needs. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.